I think the biggest challenge was probably the scale of the thing. The main roof is around 800 metres wide at the widest point, and it's 3 kilometres long. It was a major seismic zone, so the roof itself is up on columns that are around 18 to 20 metres high, and the roof is one continuous element. And the fact that it's in a seismic zone meant that the seismic loading on that roof and the columns was one of the major constraints on the job. From the design team's perspective, it's quite a challenge, and I think everybody on it was under a lot of pressure, including the architect and all of the engineers. But I think there was a great camaraderie in the team to produce the engineering to the project in a short period of time. Well, I think one of the big benefits for everyone, including the architect and the client, was the wealth of knowledge that we have in designing airports. Jobs of this scale, there's not many people in the world that can do them, and at a particular pace. So I think Arup's unique perspective there was that we can very quickly get a whole team together of very good designers to deliver the building in a short period of time. I think from my perspective, one of the things that I enjoy now is when you see the images of that project in a newspaper or a magazine article on travel, and you look at it and you think that's my building, or you see a particular component. The facade trusses was something I did from concept design, and the station, I've seen them in some of the travel magazines or in Time Out as a background in photo shoots, and you think that's my truss or that's my arch. So that's a personal perspective. Once the job's over and you see the images, you forget all the blood, sweat and tears.